Kinetic ropes safe. Putting a spare tire in the middle of a Kinetic rope when I yeehaw yank the pee out of it is going to stop it before it hits my super fragile tree right here. All right, so this is our setup. We have old Kinetic rope hooked to a really big shackle with 2 tree savers around it, with a 3rd tree saver hooked to a tether hooked back to it. Hopefully this prevents it from breaking and going that way. I have it running through a tire, and then we have it hooked up to a small soft shackle on purpose, so hopefully that soft shackle breaks, sending it that way. Now we did this on purpose because most of the time during a Kinetic rope failure, the soft shackle right there breaks, sending it flying, just like this. Well, the spare tire did absolutely nothing. Didn't stop it at all. So how about a 50-pound bag of corn? I have no idea why anybody would set it up this way, but they asked me to. Okay, so put the tire at the end of the rope and then hook it to the truck in line with the system. And the reason of today's video is this guy right here claims that Matt's Off-Road Recovery uses Kinetic ropes as winch extensions and they just fall straight to the ground, and I need to stop eating paint because if they were a bungee cord they'd not be shaped like a rope, and I need to do better research. Alright, so one of the most common responses we get is tie a towel to it. We'll stop it in its tracks. So let's give it a shot. Also, all the testing we did today was suggestions by internet experts that know everything about recovery, and we don't know anything. Good. Alright, so it's been requested to run the rope through a sheet of plywood and see if the plywood will stop it. So as you can see, it goes all the way through. Let's go. That can be your face. Alright, we wrapped the rope around the tire. I do not recommend this. Never do it that way, because now you have a weak spot in the rope that's not stretching properly because it's being wrapped around something. But so many people ask for it, we're going to test it just to show you it does not work. So here we go. Well, you see where the rope was around the tire. Wrapped it around there. And I told you guys not to do it because it's going to make a weak spot in the rope. And guess what? It broke the rope. Funny thing is, this rope breaks at like 35,000 or something. This little baby soft shackle breaks at 11,000. And it broke the rope first. All right, so the overwhelming amount of people that says don't put the towel on the end of the rope, it has to be in the center of the rope, is just mind-boggling to me. So we're gonna beef it up, and we're gonna use a large moving blanket, which is bigger than any towel you're gonna find, and put it in the center. And when that fails, we're gonna grab about 10 more of these and cover the whole rope and do it again. And that'll just cover all our bases. No floor mats, no towels, no winch blankets, no jackets, no Carhartt jackets, no pillowcases. It's gonna cover all of that. Let's get testing. What do you think? Did any of those really stop a kinetic rope? And are all those objects realistically capable of being carried on the trail, like plywood? Who's carrying plywood?